I'm Linda, a spokesperson avatar for John Gervasi PhotoArts Real Estate Media, serving Northern Virginia with high-quality commercial and residential real estate photography, videography, 3D tours, and drone imaging. If you're a real estate agent, broker, builder, or property manager, I help you showcase your listings with visuals that stand out and drive results. I offer premium HDR photography that captures every detail with clarity, balanced lighting, and natural color. Whether it's residential or commercial property, you'll receive polished interior and exterior images. And for residential shoots, a free 2D floor plan is included. For listings that need more impact, my video walkthroughs provide smooth cinematic motion that highlights the flow and features of the property. Videos can include music, titles, branding, and more. And for the best of both worlds, I offer combined photo and video packages, perfect for most listings. If you want buyers to explore a property anytime, anywhere, I provide Matterport 3D virtual tours and Zillow Showcase interactive tours. These immersive experiences consistently increase page views, saves, and shares, helping your listings stand out and sell faster. Aerial imaging is one of the most powerful ways to elevate your marketing. My FAA-certified drone photography and videography capture the property, surrounding landscape, and community amenities from a compelling perspective, ideal for both residential and commercial real estate. To further enhance your listing, I offer a full suite of add-ons, including twilight photography, community spotlights, schematic and 3D floor plans, and even AI-generated property descriptions and voiceovers for a polished, modern presentation. If you're ready to elevate your real estate marketing with professional, high-impact visuals, John would love to help. Visit www.jgphotoarts.com/real-estate to view packages, see examples, or call 703-631-1727 to book your next shoot. Let's showcase your property at its absolute best.